Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your lock screen wallpaper in Windows 11. So here, if you want to change your lock screen, you can just click on the Start menu and go to Settings. And in here at the Settings page, you can go to the Personalizations and scroll down until you find a lock screen. This one's right here. So by default, the lock screen on your Windows 11 will be the Windows Spotlight, but you can change it. You can just click on the personalize your lock screen in here and click on the drop down. So here you can choose whether you want to use just Windows Spotlight, picture, or slideshow. So in this case, I'm going to change it into picture, and you can browse a photo here. So you can do your own photo. For example, this one's right here, and then you can click on choose picture. Okay, so like this, or you can also change the lock screen status like this, whether you want to use calendar or operator messages or weather, or you can also change it into mail. I'm going to just choose calendar as before. So yeah, I think that's it. That is how you can change your lock screen wallpaper in Windows 11. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there. And also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.